जन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
So all set for the game to begin, and supporters from both the countries already in attendance, some of them coming in very early to get proper seats to watch the contest. Just to remind our viewers, a little while earlier the toss took place, India winning the toss and opting to field first. Two changes in that Indian lineup today: Bumrah and Chakravarti back in the side, and Arshdeep Singh, Harshit Rana, the ones who make way. From Pakistan's point of view, they'll be hoping for a good start and hoping for Saim Ayub, really talented player, to get cracking.
Yeah, that is going to be the key here. Saim Ayub get going. He hasn't scored a run in this tournament. He'll be under some real pressure. Emotions are really high. The crowd is building up. It's already half the stadium is full, so hoping to have a full house and hoping that Pakistan will play better cricket. Previous match was very one-sided. Pakistan did not come to the party. They did not play good cricket. Potential is there, but they need to really kick on. They need good start, and for that I think both these openers got to really stick around and make sure they survive first few overs when Bumrah is around, and then just sort of build from there.
Yeah, bang on. I think they just got to watch the first 3-4 overs. Fakhar Zaman now opening the batting.
No Saim Ayub. So that is a little change from Pakistan. Sahibzada Farhan will be opening with a senior partner, Fakhar Zaman. Plenty of experience, wealth of experience he's got. It's just, I guess, they're just allowing him to just take a little breather and ask Fakhar to do the job up front. Left and right hand combination, both Pakhtun, both Pathans, and they both understand really well. Played a lot of cricket with each other in Peshawar region.
What do you make of him, Fakhar, Sahibzada Farhan?
I mean, he's scored heavily in domestic region, in the PSL also. Plenty of hundreds. He's a kind of batter who will, once he gets going, he gets big runs. And of course, Fakhar Zaman is another one. Good strike rate, but it's just a matter of surviving early doors. Because you lose early wickets, then the entire dressing room, entire dugout just get under so much pressure, because the track record is not that great against India. For that, the start is going to be crucial.
10, 9, 8,
so the countdown begins.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So here we go. Hardik Pandya will start the proceedings. Farhan, the man on strike. Pakistan would have watched the last game when India played Oman, where the Oman openers took their time early on, did lose wickets in the first couple of overs, and then that helped them setting a platform and getting a big score. Something's happened there. There's So just the physio coming out.
I think he's got a little issue with his right hand, and he had a big tape on his right hand. So I don't think he was comfortable after facing the first ball. First ball, hitting the bat hard, and Sahibzada Farhan decided, no, it's not going to work. I have to take that off. I need a good grip. I guess he was struggling with gripping the bat. Taim Ayub pad on, so he'd be coming at 3. I think it's a wise decision because he was under serious pressure, and that will give him a little bit of time. I hope these two just kick on and bat for a few overs, so he just take a little bit of that pressure off from Taim Ayub.
Just taking off all the tape so that he gets some mobility. As long as he's not in pain, that might just do the trick. The crowd coming in.
Watching the first ball, it seemed like a slow pitch. It didn't really go anywhere. The seam position was good, but the ball came on quite comfortably, quite easy for Sahibzada Farhan to just play that. Looks a dry pitch, not much grass. We saw plenty of grass in Abu Dhabi. Even the previous pitch which we saw, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, had more grass. This one is a little bit more drier. Might be a little slow.
I think the spinners have a big role to play on this surface in those middle overs where they not only can contain but take wickets as well. Well, the umpires for today's game, Ghazi Sohail from Bangladesh in his 36th T20 game, and Ahmad Shah Pakdeen from Afghanistan, 29 games for him. And Ruchira Palya Guruge will be the TV umpire. Slip in place. Swings. Third man making a real mess of it. Just got the feeling he took it lightly. Very casual. And the catch goes to ground.
Looking at from here, it seemed that he didn't pick in the first go. He was literally just standing and he wasn't really making any move for a long period, and then he realized that it is not coming to me. I have to go to the ball. This should have been a comfortable catch there at third man, and the chance gone begging.
Abhishek Sharma is... That's up in the air. This will land safely. The intention's pretty clear. You can see he's looking to attack, and Abhishek Sharma, he'll be really disappointed. That was a pretty straightforward chance. He's misjudged it. Could just be the opportunity Pakistan are looking for. Sometimes the rub of the green goes your way early doors. It can be a big help.
There you go. You can see that he wasn't moving. He should have moved toward the ball. He's disappointed, of course. It would have been a big wicket. Good start for India. Not the case. Sahibzada Farhan should feel very, very lucky.
He's got a strike rate of 158 in 34 innings in T20s in 2025. 400s and 850s. Right, if we conversion rate excellent.
Scored heavily in Pakistan. Pitches have been really good. This pitch here a little bit slow for his liking. He's a player who hit through the line.
Flicked away nicely. Just drifting onto the pads. And 2 more runs. So after 1 over, it's 6 for no loss.